What's up, my peeps? Here with another gun review. I got my dad's old hunting rifle. It's a Schmidt Rubin K11. It is loaded, as you can see. 7.5 by 55. Straight bolt. There's no shells in it, but it's got a super nice trigger. I re-blued it. Redid the wood, found the sling for it, found the original unissued bayonet and frog that fits right on here. If I can get it the right way, perfectly. I need to adjust it a little bit. This is a carbine. It had been cut down, I think, or it came there originally. It's got the winded sights that work really well. I have shot this gun. This is a pretty powerful round, actually. The 7.5 by 55. Getting about 2,700 feet per second out of this 174 grain bullet. It's a 6-round box magazine. I would like to get another box magazine for it. This is the safety. Now it's safe to fire. The trigger will not work. The bolt will not go back. Now it will. And it has an excellent trigger. Just very, very light trigger. I did a little bit of trigger work on it, I might confess. Found an original sling for it. Leather sling, works really good. Sling this baby over your shoulder and you're good to go. Get this bayonet off of here and put it back in its frog and then clean it up a little bit. But original frog, it says H&E Sigfaril, I don't know. And it has Elsener Schwartz 7.1. It's unissued because there's no heart and no serial number on it. That's how I know it's unissued. This, I know it's a 1914 model because I looked up the matching serial numbers. It has all matching numbers on it. On the bolt, the under the wood, the barrel, the everything, all matching, and it's got the little Swiss markings on it. Need to oil it up a little bit better, right around the barrel a little bit. Maybe put some Renaissance wax on it. I also found the original cleaning kit. Got this from Classic Firearms. And it's got everything in it, and it's got that old military, canvas smell, which I love. But it's got everything for it, for cleaning it, and it's just awesome. The whole gun's awesome. I'm always going to keep this gun. I'm never going to sell it. It was my dad's. He left it to my mom, and my mom gave it to me. But yeah, it means a lot to me. It has a lot of sentimental value, so I try to keep it, like with the VCI paper, keep it in the case and all that stuff. And it shoots great. I don't have the target with me right now, but it was shooting some pretty tight groups. There's all one little jagged hole at about 100 yards. That's all I've ever shot it out of, because that's as far as my shooting range goes. But the box magazine works great. I'm going to load it back up because I'm not going to be fooling with the trigger anymore. It's perfect handy size. I think it's a 16-inch barrel, or cut down to a 16 or 18-inch barrel. I even re-blued the buttstock but I need to put some Renaissance wax on it real quick and put it back in its case. And that's all I've got for today. Also got a lot of Smith & Wesson stuff here, lots of guns and knives I'm working on. I'm going to take this to the range soon. I think I'm going to redo my NRA pistol instructor's credentials, and I'm going to take this and shoot it to qualify with. It's my SIG P226, SIG Arms P226, 357 SIG, a couple extra mags, box with it, all that good stuff. But that's besides the point. That's all I got for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed it.